The LEGO set we are reviewing today only has 764 pieces, but it has functional transmission, engine, winch, dump bed, and even suspension system. This is LEGO's new product from March, Set 42139, all-terrain vehicle. On the packaging, it uses a mountain view as background with the render of this ATV. On the back, it shows you the functions and some accessories. Inside, there are 764 pieces, divided into 6 bag and 3 steps. The manual is quite thin, with only 246 steps, and there's a small sticker sheet. Now, let's begin. Here we can see a tiny transmission. Using the gear lever here, you can control it to send power to the red 16-teeth gear on the left or the blue 20-teeth gear on the right. The blue gear is for low-range gear, which matches to a 20 to 12 gear set. The red gear is for high speed, which matches to a set of 16 to 16 gear. Let's move on. Now we can see the structure of the winch. There's a switch on the left that controls a ratchet-like structure here. Push the button, it will release the gear and let go the rope. Release the button, then you can tighten the rope back by turning this knob. Here are 2 sets of rear axles. They are connected via a small turntable. And that's also how they are connected to the transmission. There are 1 shock on each side of each axle. By connecting them to the part 60483, it makes the rear axles even more flexible. As for the power, there's a differential on each axle, and they are connected to the engine through the axle inside the turntables. After 2 to 3 hours, we finished this ATV. This is the first 6-wheel ATV from LEGO. The overall look is just like a real 6-wheel all-terrain vehicle. As for the details, the hood, bumper, headlights are well replicated, as well as the handlebar, the driver's seat, and the dump bed. Let's see its functions. The handlebar is connected to the front axle via 2 of 4 teeth gears, a fairly simple design. Then the winch, there's a switch under the seat, push it, then you can pull out the rope. On the other side, there's the knob, twist it, then you can tighten the rope back. The speed is okay, not too slow. Then let's see the powertrain. There's a small 2-cylinder boxer engine that's functional. And we can see the gear lever down here, with a sticker showing the gear pattern. But we made a mistake here and put the sticker backwards, from left to right. It should be first, neutral, and second. Let's test it, into first gear. Then second. We can see a clear engine speed difference in those 2 gears. Now let's see the dump bed. You can operate it using the lever on the side of the vehicle. A simple design. The tailgate can also be opened and closed. Finally, the suspension. As shown on the packaging box, it can be twisted to a very large angle. As for accessories, LEGO has added 4 logs and a chainsaw. Those accessories indeed made this set more fun and lively. So, generally, this LEGO ATV is Technic set that's packed with functions. Although it only has over 700 pieces, but the steering, transmission, engine, winch, suspension, and dump bed all give this ATV very good playability. And it's a great enlightenment toy for kids. Not only does it have so many functions, but it's also easy to understand how they work. So it's a great set for LEGO starters. Alright, that's the end of this video. In the next video, we will review another new Technic set from March. We'll see you then.